What if you can design the perfect compensation plan? A compensation plan that did one thing extremely well. What would that one thing be? Maybe something for the little guy. I mean, just imagine showing someone who's not great at recruiting how they could still earn an endless stream of perpetual profits. Or maybe you can do something for the masses, like create a system where they could take a small amount of money and, by using leverage, turn it into an absolute fortune, fast. Or you can do something for the leaders, something that would attract the best team builders in the world, like create a way where they could not just profit from their own efforts, but profit from the efforts of everyone in the company. Tough decision, right? Here at BitLocity, we made a decision. We decided no more what ifs, no more maybes, no more either ors. Why do just one of those things when you can do them all? Our hyper-velocity compensation plan was designed to be simple, superior, and super fast. It starts with 14 different Bitcoin packages that you can purchase. These packages start at just $25 USD and go all the way up to $100,000. The first two packages, $25 and $50, fall under the infinity line portion of the BitLocity plan. One straight line consisting of every single person who joins the BitLocity community across the entire world. You purchase the $25 package and are placed in the line with an exact timestamp. Someone on the other side of the world might join 1 second after you. They are placed directly behind you in line, and that process goes on and on. You receive a $25 payment from the two people directly behind you. One of the payments will be sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet as profit. The other payment will buy you a new position at the back of the line. As the line continues to grow and as more people continue to cycle around back behind you, this process can happen again and again and again, allowing you to earn $25 or even $50 Bitcoin payments an infinite number of times, even if you have never recruited anyone. Starting at the $75 package and going all the way up to the $100,000 level, you now get to participate in our dual-sided maximum leverage portion of the BitLocity plan. On the left side is our high-powered unilevel, where everyone you personally refer takes the next available frontline position. Once they upgrade to the $75 level or above, the unilevel will start to be flooded with Bitcoin. All of the payments from all of the people on your front line are yours to keep and are instantly set to your Bitcoin wallet. This is regardless of how big the payments are and of what level you are at the time. The only exception will be the payments from your 3rd and 10th personal referrals. Those payments pass up to your personal sponsor. This is an awesome feature because it means that the 3rd and 10th referrals of all of your people will be passing up all of their unilevel payments to you. On the right side is our 1x3 speed matrix with your position at the top and 3 open positions directly under it. The first payment to enter the matrix is 100% yours and is sent to your Bitcoin wallet. The second payment is also 100% yours. The third payment goes up to your sponsor and will cycle you, opening up a brand new matrix for you under your sponsor. This can happen again and again, creating an endless stream of Bitcoin flowing into your wallet. The best part is that every time you upgrade to a package of $75 or higher, you open up a brand new speed matrix at that level. So eventually, you could have 12 different matrices all operating at the same time, sending Bitcoin payments to your wallet so rapidly that every time you refresh your screen, the balance goes up. So, how do we send the payments from your referrals into your dual-sided compensation plan? It's simple. Every upgrade of $75 or higher from your referrals will go through the same exact process. The BitLocity system will deduct a $10 profit and promotion fee from the upgrade account. More on that in a moment. The remainder will be instantly split 50-50, with half being sent into your unilevel and the other half being sent to your appropriate speed matrix. For example, let's say that you have purchased all the packages up to the 1,000 level, and now one of your personal referral upgrades to the 1,000 level as well. The $10 profit and promotion fee will be deducted right away. The remaining $990 is split evenly. $495 of Bitcoin will be instantly sent to your unilevel, and $495 of Bitcoin will be instantly set to your $1,000 level speed matrix. Both sides of the compensation plan are working simultaneously and perpetually, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, depositing Bitcoin into your wallet over and over again. This not only provides you with profit, it also provides the capital to buy up higher pack levels so you can benefit from higher level matrix payments as your referrals continue to upgrade. Now, about that $10 profit and promotion fee. Here at BitLocity, we wanted to guarantee 2 things. First, We wanted to make sure the company was profitable enough to last for generations, providing the greatest economic engine that has ever existed in this space. Second, we wanted to create the #1 leadership attraction feature in the entire crypto universe. So, $5 of that fee will go into our monthly top recruiter pool. Think about that for a moment. $5 for every upgrade of $75 and above from every BitLocity member in the entire world with no cap. That means it could eventually be thousands, tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands of dollars of Bitcoin being split by the top 10 recruiters for that month. The best part is that each month starts a whole new qualification. So new leaders will always have the opportunity to qualify, and consistent leaders that are crushing it could have a chance to participate multiple times. So, something for the little guy? The global infinity line system. Check. A wealth creation machine for the masses? The dual-sided maximum leverage plan. Check. A way to attract and reward the best leaders on the planet? The leadership top recruiter pool. Check. At BitLocity, we didn't just check all the compensation plan boxes. We completely redefined them. There has never been a compensation plan like this in history, and there will never be another success story like the one we are going to create. We intend to create more Bitcoin millionaires than any other project, and we intend to do it fast. So let me ask you, are you ready? Ready to build a potential fortune? Ready to participate in the best Bitcoin accumulation model that has ever existed? Then, welcome to BitLocity. Prepare yourself to finally move at the speed of success.